how to boost Reels on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to boost Reels on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the Reels icon and select the reel you want to boost. Next, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Here, you'll see the option to boost reel. If it doesn't show up, there are a few settings to check first. Go back to your profile and tap on Professional Dashboard. Then scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. Now make sure the private account option is turned off. After that, ensure your account is set as a professional account. Now return to the Reels section, tap on the reel again, and select Boost Reel. Here, choose what you want people to do when they see your account, such as visit your profile, visit your website, message you, or a mix of actions. Then select who should see your ad. Tap on Create Your Own to set up a custom audience. Now enter an audience name. Then add audience details like locations. Search and select the location, for example, the United States or the United Kingdom. Check the estimated audience size, then select the minimum age. Next, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right corner. Now choose your ad budget. Use the slider to set your daily budget and see the cost. You can also set the duration using another slider. Finally, review all the details and check the total price before confirming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.